I have these glasses here that were sent to me by this brand, OhO Sunshine, and it was sent to me as a gift to review. And I just want to show you guys, this is the glasses right here, and it comes with a charger and a little towel, whatever you want to call this, just to clean it, to wipe it down. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm a tech guy, and I get excited for things like these, like just smart glasses in general. And I'm not gonna lie, these were actually pretty impressive. I used them, a few times, and every time I used them, I enjoyed it. Never had an issue with them. Of course, these are more like sunglasses, so uh, if I had a choice, I would get clear ones, just because you can use them all the time and not just like when it's sunny outside or whatnot. So that's just preference, but they work great. Like I said, in the sun, it helps with the sunshine or in your in your eyes. So as you can see here, you have the power, the volume right here. So you control the volume through these. Um, Here is a charging port right here on the glasses, as you can see. And this is a speaker right here and speaker. So again, these don't have a camera. These are only audio, but super easy to connect to your phone, and super easy to answer phone calls, hang up, skip songs or whatnot. Anything with audio, these are great for that. And you can, again, they're not that thick, they're not too heavy, because I don't have a camera, so they're not as as big or heavy. They do last about 8 to 10 hours, just depending on what you use it for, how you're using them. But like I said, the quality of the sound is actually pretty impressive. And the only thing, but I think this is kind of normal for all the glasses, only thing is, whenever you do turn the volume up pretty much all the way, or pretty high, you you can hear, or pretty much like if someone's around you, they'll definitely be able to hear the audio. They'll definitely be able to hear the conversation on your phone, or the song that you're listening to. But again, I think most glasses are gonna be like that in general. But not a big deal. I just turn it up to whatever percentage I need to be able to hear it, and that's it. I don't turn it up all the way. Um, so it's really loud when it's all the way up. So I don't think that's necessary, unless you're like in a crowded area where it's like super loud. Then yeah, I think that would definitely be recommended, just to turn it up so you can hear. But again, overall, these glasses are pretty cool, pretty smooth sunglasses, and I think it's worth it. I really think it's worth it. I think it's really fun. Nobody knows you have these glasses. You have the audio, and you're on the phone call, anything like that. I would definitely be excited to try some glasses with the camera, to try the video quality and the battery life and all that. But yeah, check these out. I really think these are worth it. These are actually pretty cool, and I'm definitely gonna keep using them for sure.